We're at StarMetro. We're currently residing in the tire facility where we do all our tire repairs. So what we are making right now is a driver protective barrier partition to help with the COVID-19 virus. We've been able to expedite it into about a 4 to 5 step process. So we get the plexiglass in a 4x8 sheet. We trace it out in the most economical way. We can get 3 doors on one sheet. We cut them right here in this first session, then we go and we sand all their edges, we round them all off. Then we go and we install the hinges. We have 3 to 5 guys here in the morning, and we build those glasses while doing the rest of our work during the day, including myself. And then I turn it over to the night supervisor at night and his group of guys install all the barriers that we've made during the day. And currently we have about 2/3 of the fleet completed.
StarMetro is following the guidelines of the CDC. They added sanitizer, alcohol, aerosol spray. We have people coming in to wipe down the buses. There's only 15 passengers allowed per bus, and we are enforcing that they practice social distancing, that they not sit so close up on each other. We also want to make sure that we are keeping the patrons safe as well as the operator.
All the supplies that we're currently using on these buses were all procured locally. To us, it's a little bit abnormal for us. That's not our normal routine, but it's exciting for us to get together, finding something that worked for us. We feel like we've got there. I'm sure that we can make some changes down the road. We're gonna find some changes to build as time goes on.
The service that we provide for the community is vitally important, I think, because we are essential to getting the essential workers to their essential job so everybody can have what they need. So we take pride in that here at StarMetro.